Carbon Copy Cloner versus Time Machine. Which Mac backup tool is better? Choosing the right Mac backup tool can completely change how you protect your data without losing time or risking complicated setups. Both offer unique features and benefits. Carbon Copy Cloner and Time Machine are two popular Mac backup solutions. Time Machine offers automatic incremental backups with simplicity, while Carbon Copy Cloner provides advanced cloning and customization for full control over backups. Carbon Copy Cloner is a powerful Mac backup application designed to create exact bootable copies of your entire system or selected files. It works by cloning your drive sector by sector, allowing you to restore your Mac quickly in case of failure. One of its greatest strengths is the ability to schedule backups with detailed customization, including incremental updates and backup to external drives or network volumes. It also supports smart updates that copy only change files, saving time and storage. However, Carbon Copy Cloner requires a bit of technical knowledge to set up properly and is a paid tool, which might not appeal to casual users. It's ideal for professionals or users who want full control over backup processes, prefer bootable backups, or need to manage multiple backup tasks efficiently. For those who want reliability and flexibility with deep backup options, Carbon Copy Cloner stands out as a robust solution. Time Machine is Apple's built-in backup software for Mac, designed for effortless and automatic data protection. It works by continuously backing up your entire system, including apps, files, and system settings, storing incremental snapshots that allow you to restore your Mac to any previous state. Its biggest advantage is simplicity. Once enabled, backups run in the background without user intervention. Time Machine stores backups on external drives or network-attached storage, making it accessible for most users. However, it does not create bootable backups, meaning you cannot start your Mac from a Time Machine disk. It's limited in customization compared to Carbon Copy Cloner, but excels in ease of use and integration with macOS. Time Machine is perfect for everyday users who want a set it and forget it solution to protect their data without complexity. It provides peace of mind with minimal configuration and seamless recovery options. Carbon Copy Cloner and Time Machine serve different backup needs. Carbon Copy Cloner excels for users who want bootable backups and granular control over backup schedules and destinations, making it ideal for professionals or those with complex workflows. Time Machine shines with its simplicity and integration, offering continuous automatic backups perfect for most Mac users who want hassle-free data protection. While Carbon Copy Cloner requires setup and a purchase, it offers faster recovery options through bootable clones. Time Machine is free and user-friendly but lacks bootable backups and advanced customization. Choosing between them depends on your backup priorities. Full control and bootable safety versus ease and automation. Choose Carbon Copy Cloner if you need bootable backups and advanced customization for professional-grade data protection and quick system recovery. Time Machine is the best choice for users seeking effortless automatic backups integrated with macOS. It's perfect for everyday protection without the need for technical setup. Both tools are excellent, so pick the one that fits your backup style and security needs.